Are you still struggling to get juicy chicken breast when grilling? Well, watch this video and you won't have that problem anymore. Eating chicken this moist? Oh, that feels like a sin. Smut! Today's your lucky day because I'm going to show you a few tips to make sure you get juicy, perfectly grilled chicken breast every time. Now let's start by getting some super fresh chicken breast by the best chicken wrangler there is in the business. And that would be Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats. Now, chicken breast is uneven and therefore it cooks unevenly. The way to fix this is we lay down some cling wrap, place the chicken on top, cover it with more cling wrap, and then we can smash the crap out of it. This makes it thinner, even, and emotionally available. Did you know brining allows us to get seasoning and more moisture into our meat? You do now. To every 4 cups of cold water, you want to add 4 tablespoons of kosher salt and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Stir this until the salt dissolves, and then just drown your chicken breast. And then this can go in your fridge for an hour. Technically, you're reverse seasoning the inside of the meat with delicious science. Today, I'm going to be using a Weber Go Anywhere, or GA as they're known, and I'm going to be pairing it up with some grill grates. And fueling this barbecue is Heat Beads lump charcoal. I'm going to use 3/4 of a chimney starter to get us a nice hot heat. Now just let those grill grates warm up for 10 minutes, similar to letting a cast iron pan warm up, but more rugged with fire. This cook's going to take around 8 minutes, and you know what that means. For those of you who follow my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. The chicken's ready before your beer goes warm. That's efficiency and happiness. The chicken has had long enough to soak, so I'm just going to lay down some paper towel and we're going to get the chicken out of the brine. And then we just need to pat it dry with some more paper towel and then oil it up, rub that in and season it evenly. Now I'm just using lemon pepper, but you can use whatever barbecue rub you want. Just make sure it doesn't have a lot of salt because we've already brined it and there's plenty of salt in it. I'm just going to flip it over and do the other side now. You want to give your grates a quick spray with some oil. Now we can lay the chicken down on the grill grates. At this point you can add some weight to the chicken if you want, like this burger smasher. This just helps create those fancy grill lines because we first eat with our eyes. And I just keep moving the weight around because I've only got one. And after 2 minutes we need to get the chicken up and spin it around 30 to 40 degrees. We want to get that elusive diamond pattern when grilling because it just looks all fancy. And we're just going to let them ride for another 2 minutes. Don't forget to keep moving the weight around if you want to get those good grill marks. This is just purely making sure we get good contact on all of the fins. And now, after 4 minutes of grilling on that one side, we can flip the chicken over. And that's what we want, those grill marks. And we'll just give it another 2 minutes before we spin them around. Now that's 2 minutes on this side, so we can spin the chicken around at 30 to 40 degrees. Put the weight on it, and we're going to let it ride out for another 2 minutes. If you're out there still grilling dry chicken, stop! Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more juicy goodness, and share this with a mate who keeps overcooking his meat. Grill marks form between 232 and 260 degrees Celsius. They're basically meaty tattoos. Now, once your chicken reaches 74 degrees Celsius internally, you can class it as no death chicken. Now, like all meat, it needs to be rested, and I always recommend resting it for 1 minute per 100 grams. And once rested, we can slice into it and eat. You can't get any juicier than that.